In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the double opt-in feature in ActiveCampaign, a powerful tool for managing your email lists and campaigns. If you're looking to simplify your users' sign-up process, bypassing the double opt-in can be a helpful step. However, remember that opting for single opt-in might make it harder to filter out fake or spam signups, so make sure it aligns with your strategy. To get started, we'll first need to navigate to the ActiveCampaign website and head over to the Forms section. Once you're logged in, look towards the left-hand side of your screen. You should see a menu. From this menu, locate and click on Forms. This is where all the magic happens. Now, if you've already created a form that you'd like to edit, simply select it from your list of existing forms. On the other hand, if you are starting fresh, you have the option to create a new form. This choice depends on whether you're modifying an existing form or starting from scratch. Once you have your form selected and opened, direct your attention to the Form Builder. This is the space where you can customize and design your form to best suit your needs. On the right panel of the Form Builder, you'll notice several tabs. You'll want to click on the one labeled Options. This tab will reveal various settings related to how your form operates, including actions triggered when someone submits the form. Now, under the Form Action section, you will see actions associated with your form, like subscribes to list. Next to this action, there's a gear or pencil icon that allows you to change the settings. Click on this icon. Doing so will open a modal window that offers more detailed options regarding your chosen form action. Within this modal window, you'll find a section labeled Opt-in Confirmation. This is the setting that controls whether your subscribers will receive a double opt-in confirmation email. By default, this feature is enabled to ensure that your subscribers genuinely want to be part of your list. If you are looking to turn off the double opt-in, you can simply toggle this setting off. Be sure to consider this change carefully, as it affects the confirmation process for new subscribers. Once you've made this adjustment, there's just one more thing left to do, and that's to save your changes. You'll find the Save button easily accessible within the Form Builder interface. Clicking Save will apply the changes you've made to your form. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled the double opt-in feature in ActiveCampaign. By following these steps, you've streamlined the subscription process for your users. Always balance ease of sign-up with the quality of your subscribers, especially if you're working towards building a high-engagement list. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this was helpful in guiding you through the process.